Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. So I saw this karaoke sound system quite a while, so I decided to go and check them out to see how they sound, if they are worth buying. So they look it looks like this. We have the speaker itself, or maybe sound system itself. Then we have, it comes with two microphone. So the model number is K12. You can see now it comes in different colors. We have beige, which is the one which I bought. We have blue, black, white and pink. So I don't think we have anything on the box, so let us unbox and see what comes in the box. So I bought I bought it for around $9, which I don't think is that expensive. You can just buy it, it's just cheap. So we have nothing in the box. Let's set that one aside. It comes with a pair of microphone, so you can see too here. So as you can see, it's beige. Now the microphone has some button to control. So we have on and off, volume up and down. Then we have a button here. This button, if you press it, it controls it adds effects. It adds effects on your voice. Maybe you can, if you press, you can sound like a chipmunk, you know, that sound effects, or maybe a baby, or maybe those kidnappers. So this is what it does. Then we have a LED here, which will light up when you are charging and when it is on. Then on the back here we have a charging port, which is 5 watts. Now let's see what else. Then we have a manual here, so you can see it has a Chinese and we have English, so you can refer if you are stuck. Then we have a charging port here, type C, which is nice for just such a little gadget. Nice. Then we have our speaker here. You can call it a speaker because it is still a Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect with Bluetooth and play your audio through this one. So we have our LED here, which lights up, as you know. Then we have a grill for speaker, and then we have a strap. If you want to carry it, we have a strap. Then on top here we have some controlling button. We have volume up, volume down. We have mode here to toggle or to switch between your flash disk and SD card. Then we have another button here. This is for to switch your LED to change between modes of your LEDs. Then we have on and off switch, which will function as a play button and pause button. Then we have another button here. This will mute your background music when you are talking. When you are talking through microphone and you press this one and there was a music or instrumental which was playing on the background, this one will reduce the volume, not exactly mute, but somehow reduce, because you will be hearing down there just from the far away playing. Then on the back we have the port where you can put your wired headphone or earphones, or maybe this one you can still connect an external speaker if you have it. Then we have a TF or micro SD card. We have a port here for USB flash drive. You can connect it here. Then we have a charging port, and then we have an LED indicator light here when you are charging and when you switch it on. So then we have a grill here, and then we have our speaker inside there. Then on the ear we have our feet, if you can call feet, rubberized feet, so that it will be, as you can see, it is very firm. It cannot go anywhere. So let us switch it on and see how it looks like. Just press and hold the power button like this. Wow, yeah, it is very nice, guys, as you can see. Now as I said, you can connect your Bluetooth speakers. Yes, sorry, you can, it doesn't connect with Bluetooth outside, but you can connect to as an input for Bluetooth. If you want to play a music through your phone, you can connect this one with your phone with Bluetooth, so that you can play your instrumental or maybe the music which you want to, you know, to use as a karaoke. So let us see these lights, how they change. So press once. So you can see we have some cool animations for the lights. Then you can press again, and each time you press, you will hear that sound. As you can see, it has very cool animations. As you can see now, it's very nice. So let me connect so that I can play music, so that we can hear how it sounds. So I will connect with my comp. So let me see. So let me connect. I'll connect with the computer, which is nice. So let me see. Just give me a moment. Then I will play a music here. Wow, they are very good. The sound is very good. I saw the battery will last you for a couple of hours. I didn't see, okay, the battery is not that bad. It will last you some some hours. And the speaker, let's test the microphone. Just press and hold this one. So you can see it will light some blue color here. So if you talk, as you can hear, I'm talking through this microphone, as you can hear, but it is echoey. It is very echoey, as you can hear. Now let us switch the mode. So if you press this button here, like this, hello, as you can hear, the bass has changed. Or you can press again, hello. As you can hear, now I'm speaking like a chipmunk. Now let's press again, hello. Now you can hear my voice is still changed again, hello. Now I am speaking like someone who has kidnapped some bunnies, and I need some ransom or something. Now I can press again, hello, and you can hear my voice has returned to normal. And you can still, my background music. The background music is still playing, and if you want to reduce the volume, you have to tap this twice, like that. So you have to tap twice so that it will reduce, like this. As you can hear, the volume has reduced completely. And if you want to add or increase the volume, you need to tap this twice, like this. So guys, what I can say about them is just that I cannot recommend an adult to buy. Maybe if you want a Bluetooth speaker, or if you want to buy something for your kids to have fun with, because they are so terrible. The microphone, you need literally your mouth touching them, so that you can hear what you are saying. And when you do so, they have a lot of echo, that much that you cannot even understand what you are saying. If you want something to give your children, you can just buy them, or if you want to use them as a Bluetooth speakers. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one.